How to fix Windows adware not removing. Here's a bat file, beta-ver, that can be used to remove adware. At echo off rem, this script will remove adware from your computer. Rem define the location of the adware to be removed. Set adware folder equals %program files %\adware rem stop any running processes related to the adware task kill /f/im adware.exe. Rem remove the adware folder and all its contents if exist. %adware folder remdir /s/q %adware folder rem remove any registry keys related to the adware reg delete h key _local _machine /software /microsoft /windows /current version /uninstall /adware /f reg delete h key _local _machine /software /adware /f echo adware removal complete. Pause note, replace adware. With the name of the specific adware you want to remove. Also, make sure to run the script with administrative privileges.